Hi, this is Wes Fryer. It is June the 17th, 2024. I want to talk about how to get my RecTeq RT 700 Bull pellet smoker so that I can turn it on and off again with my phone. So sometime this last year in the spring, apparently there was some kind of government order that grills like this couldn't be started remotely. And I do understand the safety reasons behind it. I've read different things from RecTeq and from others about it. There's a lot of folks that are upset about it. I personally have loved this. I mean, the danger is, right, if somebody comes and puts it, if there would be someone who would put a cover on your grill, or you would have your cover on your grill, or there was some other weird thing happening, you start your grill, it actually could start a fire, burn your house down. That's a big deal. I have loved being able to start my grill remotely. In fact, I made a whole video about pizza. I'm gonna make some pizza with my pizza oven insert today. It usually takes about 45 minutes for my pizza stone to come up to temperature. And so when we leave church, or even if it's school, if I'm leaving and we're coming home late or whatever, it's awesome to be able to start it remotely. Okay, so you cannot do this anymore with the RecTeq app. But I Googled this, and on Reddit found that there is a app that is called the SmartLife app. And I've actually used the SmartLife app for a number of my smart plugs and things in my house. And so I've already logged in, have an account. So this is what I am going to do. We'll see if this works as it should. Okay, the grill's plugged in. I've got my little button here by Wi-Fi, and I'm gonna press and hold down this button until this red light starts to flash rapidly. And there it is. So now it's flashing rapidly. So now I'm gonna say, I want to add a device. I'm gonna be adding it manually. And okay. So I just selected other here, and I'll have to trim that so there's not as long of a pause. I selected other and had to confirm that the light is flashing fast. Oh my gosh, it worked! Holy cow! There have been times, I'm so excited. There have been times that I've had to basically take this a distance away in order to get it to connect on the 2.4. Okay. Sam has been successfully added. So now I'm gonna click done. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it even has my probes and everything. And my set point is there. It was at 225. Okay, here's the test. All right, gonna press the button. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. Wow. I can now remotely turn on my grill, and now it says set point. Wow, it's even got the current temperature. I use 375 as my set point when I'm doing pizza. So look at that, 375, 375. This is gold. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I thought I would just give this a try when I record, and if it does, I know there's other people that are interested in this. So, hey, my name is Wes Fryer. I have a bunch of social media pages called Cook with Wes. So you can find my Facebook, Cook with Wes. You can find my Instagram, Cook with Wes. And then I have a TikTok, Cook with Wes. And the TikTok is basically 100% barbecue. But my other stuff, I do, other kinds of cooking. And you can get to all of my cooking videos, which I just put on my regular channel that I put my other stuff. I'm a middle school teacher, and I'm into some other stuff. But if you go to the shortened link, wfryer.me/cook, then you can get the playlist of just my cooking videos. And I'll include those links here in the YouTube description. My gosh, I'm so excited. This is huge. This is huge. Good luck. If this works for you, let me know. I will include I'll edit this so I've got my app, you know, visible here, so you'll be able to see exactly what I did. I'm so excited. I love my RecTeq grill, by the way. Awesome, awesome investment with my COVID money. Have a great day.